Whoever comes to you with this Barzini meeting, he's a traitor. Don't forget that.
Barzini wants to arrange a meeting. He says we can straighten any of our problems out.
You talked to him?
Yeah.
I always thought it would have been Clemenza, not Tessie.
It's the smart one. Tessie was always smarter.
Barzini's dead. So is Philip Tattaglia. Mo Green. Stracci. Cuneo. Today I settle all family business, so don't tell me you're innocent.
Michael Francis Rizzi, do you renounce Satan?
I do.